Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101, taught by dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button to receive notifications on future content. Most cases of depression require treatment in some form or another. Be it therapy, medications, counseling, or self-care, depression needs to be communicated and addressed so that it doesn't worsen. According to research, eating the right foods ties with getting adequate sleep for combating depression. Diet is an integral part of mental health, so much so that there are specialists known as nutritional psychologists. The foods people eat can influence both physical and mental health. Today, we're going to be covering the vegan diet and how it can help boost mental health. Let's dive into the lesson. It is important for your mental health to shift your focus to more whole foods and less packaged. The excess sugars, fats, and hormones from dairy products and processed foods can lead to mental and physical ups and downs. Food in its natural state, i.e., foods without chemicals, additives, or refined sugars, is rich in a variety of essential nutrients that help the body function optimally. Clean eating doesn't necessarily translate to veganism or vegetarianism. Vegans and vegetarians can eat poorly if they are focusing on soy products or frozen fake meat products. Fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains should be your primary focus. It is very important to eat your tomatoes. The only thing holding you back from doing this is a tomato allergy. Tomatoes contain a lot of folate and alpha-lipoic acid, both of which have been known to naturally fight depression. A research study that was published in the Journal of Psychiatry and Neuroscience found that depression patients were deficient in folate. Folate helps to prevent the formulation of homocysteine, which partially inhibits the production of important neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. Healthy diet equals better mood. Stick to the path of clean and healthy eating to naturally boost brain health and mood. Foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids work to encourage healthy brain function and can naturally reduce depression symptoms. Over the last century, there has been a massive shift away from natural foods containing omega-3s. Foods that are high in omega-3s include avocados, walnuts, Brussels sprouts, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. You're probably tired of hearing us say this, but cut out the sweets. Eating a lot of foods with refined sugars can take your blood sugar levels on a wild ride over peaks and valleys. Sticking to foods in their natural state can help eliminate cravings, reduce inflammation, and promote a better outlook on life. So next time you're at the fair, put down the candy corn. The moral of the story is to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. You want to avoid foods that contain refined grains, refined sugars, animal products, trans fats, and antibiotics. Your diet has a bigger influence on your mental health than you think, so keep eating clean to help avoid depression symptoms. By following the vegan diet, it'll help boost your mental health. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by dherbs.com.